Thank you for joining another video. Today we're going to do an engineering project with my children. So this was the original concept. So you're seeing this is from the bottom. We have two wheels back here. Here's from the side. You got the front, the back. This is the steering wheel. Then here we got from top down steering wheel with two seats and an open area in the back.
But it is going to be a little shorter.
A little shorter. So, where we are starting today is the question, why? So why do we want this vehicle?
So it's easier to carry around stuff.
All right. So carry stuff. We want to transport around the
farm.
The farm. So transport around the farm. Anything else?
No.
No. All right. So we have the why. Now we're going to come in here. We'll draw a line up. And we'll do a curved line here and a curved line here. This is going to be the need, the want, and the ideal. And then this is going to be hard. So over here is going to be your hard. And over here is going to be your easy. Alright. So what do we need in this vehicle?
We need like seats and a steering wheel. 1, 2, 3 pipes.
Why do we need pipes?
It can be any kind of material, but pipes would be easy, because then you can fit the things that make the wheels turn.
So for now, we're focused on things, not details, but we're looking at things we need. Right? So steering wheel, seats. We need wheels.
Yeah, we need wheels. We also need pipes.
A frame.
Yeah, a frame.
Frame.
Wood. We need wood.
Wood would be the material for the frame.
Uh-huh.
What would you want?
On the car?
Yeah. How about adjustable seats?
Yeah. And a roof on the car. Like an adjustable roof so it can go over and under. Like over the car and then back from the car.
How about we do...
Can I talk?
You can talk. How about we do roof, and then up here in the ideal, it's a retractable roof. All right. Do you want anything else as far as wanting, or things that would be like the perfect vehicle, but you don't think might be able to happen in this?
Well, guys, what?
What?
I want like something soft behind here, like that doggy bed that's outside.
Software.
In the back.
That could work.
Why would you want something soft in the back?
So just in case if we have to like carry an animal.
Okay.
Yeah.
We need brakes too on the car.
There you go. Brakes. Brakes are good.
We need like a parking thing so it like goes, so I won't roll.
Okay. All right. So we'll put this on the want. Parking brake.
And a soft bed.
And we'll put this in the ideal. Soft bed. Would you want the bed to be dumpable?
What do you mean dumpable?
You know the dump trailer we have?
Yeah.
Where it can pivot and drop things off? Would you want something like that?
No.
Okay.
But I do not want it like screwed down because we can actually, so we can pick it up and dump this stuff and then put it back in like the bed.
Okay.
Like
Yep.
all the messy stuff that's in it, that's garbage, we can dump it out.
Okay. All right. Anything else we can think of? If you think of my car, is there anything from my car that you would want that we don't necessarily have?
No.
Do you want doors?
Yeah.
Or do you just want to climb over?
Doors.
Doors.
Even a back door, so it can open and shut.
And tailgate.
That is all I can think of.
So that's all you can think of. So we have seats, a steering wheel, wheels, brakes, and frame as far as the core things that make up a vehicle.
Yep.
Okay. How about headlights? Do we want headlights? Then we need batteries.
No.
How about ideal? Lights are going to be an ideal thing. All right, things that we want: parking brake, a roof, doors, a tailgate, and an adjustable seat. Okay. Anything else that we want?
Not me.
Okay.
Zana, do you want anything else?
A bunk bed.
Well, a bunk bed's not in the car.
Yeah.
It's not a camper. It's just a car for going around.
Yeah.
All right, and then ideally,
Snacks.
well, that's not something we can build into the car. All right, so then ideally, we have a soft bed,
Uh-huh.
a retractable roof,
Yep.
and lights.
Yep.
Anything else in there that you think would be ideal?
Maybe lights on the side of the car, so if it actually is dark, we can see like
Okay.
the lights in the side of the car, like only on the back parts,
Okay.
not on the front part.
All right. So you want, for lights, we want headlights,
On the side.
and then you want,
Satellite.
we'll call them, you want them shining out or in?
In.
All right, so let's call them cargo lights. Right? So you can see the cargo.
Yep.
All right. So do you feel that the need, want, and ideal answers why we're making this in order to carry stuff and then to transport stuff around the farm?
Yeah.
I did think of one thing we need.
What?
We need pedals
Oh yeah, pedals.
and gears. Well, here, we want gears.
Yep.
But we need pedals. And then we will just say drivetrain. That is what will connect the pedals to the wheels, is the drivetrain.
Okay.
All right. So that should be everything that we need and want. So now we can start designing it.
Yep.
All right.
Let's go.